Hey, welcome everyone. Day 2 here in the live trading room went absolutely wonderful. Another great trades both in the euro currency, crude oil, ES. We're waiting for a breakout, but we have one real big position happening right now in our thoughts and observations, amongst others actually. Bristol Myers breakout. Let's take a look at what we were talking about today in the live trading room. First and foremost, you can see our first trade today went short in the euro currency. It's had its stop out function. And if you look here at the screen with me on the euro currency, that red line right there, excuse me, that's that was the trailing stop function. Next, it did take another short position right here. It is short 2 contracts, and as you can see, it's already making money. The crude oil, it had some wonderful trades set up today, both on the 5 and the 15 minutes, given a couple trades on both time frames. It's actually gone with the trend or the volume trend of the market here. This is short a trade right now, not doing a whole lot. We'll see what happens there. On the spiders, it went long a position, rightly so. It'll trail the stop up here because right now the market's still in an uptrend long term. We're in a sideways trading range, number 2. Not much going on in the market, number 3, so that's not a very big issue. But the VXX did generate a short position on the VXX signal. This is obviously going to trail a stop. There's your stop above the high, and that's just a random spot that doesn't, it's nice to see that. And if we do take out the low of the day, and my guess is if we close less than that, we're going to see the VIX go down, and then that would also signal a move up in spider. That would be pretty good. Now, for day trading here, there's not really a lot. We have about a 12-point range today in the S&Ps. We're in a very tight range, number 1. The advanced decline has been trending, it's slightly biased to the downside. You can see that the decliners are 294 right now. If you take a look at the bottom left of your screen, what I'm writing here, advancers are 204 and the decliners are 294. If we start to see that trend change and turn more positive in the afternoon, it is our contention that we're going to get a breakout, and anything greater than the pivot resistance in spider 294.74, that's going to initiate upside. I don't think the surprise is to the downside because everyone's looking for a correction. I think the surprise is to the upside because everyone's looking for the correction. But today we have a couple other little things going on in the marketplace. First and foremost, we have a potential breakout in IBB. Now, Bristol Myers, we have a long position there, and we're up about 8% on that trade. Bristol Myers having a heck of a day. It's up at the $1.08 right now. I'm going to reflect in other positions of what we've got going on in the next video, but in the main trading room. And again, we have 2 trading rooms here going on. One's the Algo room that people can look at day trades like in the euro currency, like, of course, in crude oil. Like, again, you see crude oil just popped out of the trade while I was talking. How neat is that? It did the right job. It captured, even though it didn't take a lot of profit, that blue line, you could see here's where it went short and there's where it exited. That's really nice. For the record, let's take a look. And in the last 2 days, in trading just 2 small currency positions. Now, again, not much is going on. This is our open house showing you to participate in our trading community. Now, 2 contracts only in the euro currency. How big has the range been in the euro currency? So first off, you got to be a Forex trader. Second off, can I help you make money or make the right decisions? Well, first and foremost, in the last 2 days, we had 3 trades yesterday for a total of $625. We have so far today 2 trades for $450 net profit. That's not too bad. So that's just the euro currency. And again, the ES yesterday up over $3,000 yesterday in those 2 contracts, which was on our YouTube video. That was a big day for us here. That was amazing. Not to mention, as I pointed out, what did the euro currency do? So today we have also some very nice trades generated, and I'll just point this out to you. Here's crude oil, right? Look at the trades that are going on in crude oil. Not a lot, but quick scalps because there's not a big range. There's no follow through in anything. Boy, if I was short the market and this thing really continued to puke, it would have been nice to have the system trail, and it did. It did what it's designed to do, and you can follow and watch that along with us and make the decisions which side of the market you want to be on. If you're looking for a powerful way of following and tracking testifiable trades as they happen live, then this is what the Algo Room is for you. If you're interested in also following stocks and ETF, then I tell you that the main trading room is for you, because we still look at spiders, we still look at the Qs, TLT, which is, again, our portfolio. We have currently a short position in TLT, we have a long position in Bristol Myers, and again, both of those trades doing well. So I invite you to perhaps take the time, look at what we got, because you're going to love being a member here at Persons Planet. With that said, simply follow along. Visit us at www.personsplanet.com and go over into the website. Let's show you that right now. All right, so you're on the website. You go up to weekly reports, and you'll see weekly planning and scanning report. And what does that entail you to? The weekly report, it entails that, number one, you get my weekly thoughts and observation written report every weekend. You also have access to my market analysis research video report every weekend. And that also includes the time that you get to spend in our live trading room 5 days a week, watching the algo and or following our position trades. And that's where you sign up, and that's our live trading room. The hours that I'm there is from 9 a.m. to 12 noon that I moderate and give out trade recommendations and follow up with our trades that we do live, of course. And the room is open till 4:15. So we're closed during national holidays, but that's where you find out more information about us and how to join. Give us a try. You'll be able to follow these trades in our live algo room. Thanks for watching. And really, another exciting day, and I was glad to have you guys here. Thank you very much.